Being influential in the world of music, making an impact in the music world as a music artist is a multifaceted and dynamic experience that can bring opportunities, challenges, and responsibilities. Let's talk a little about this. Making an impact in the music world as an artist is a journey marked by creativity, originality, and deep connection with audiences. It goes beyond mere popularity and includes the ability to shape trends, challenge conventions, and leave a lasting impact on the industry. Influential artists have a unique voice that resonates with listeners, and their work often transcends entertainment and becomes a cultural force. Whether through innovative songs, socially relevant poetry, or groundbreaking performances, these musicians are redefining the musical landscape and inspiring other artists and global audiences. In this pursuit, artists pursue a dynamic interplay of talent, flexibility, and strategic engagement with the evolving currents of the music industry, cementing their place as pioneers shaping the nature of musical expression. Increasing visibility is very important. Influential artists often enjoy widespread fame both in the industry and among the general public. This visibility can lead to more opportunities for collaboration, endorsements, and media coverage. Influential artists collaborate more with other well-known musicians, producers, and songwriters, expanding their creative network and producing outstanding projects. Influential artists, songwriters, and musicians gain access to exclusive industry events, awards shows, and networking opportunities. This facilitates communication with key players in the music business, including producers, executives, and other influential artists. Influential artists often have a significant impact on the music market. Their release is eagerly anticipated and their influence can contribute to chart-topping success and commercial longevity, have multiple streams of income. Influencers can diversify their income streams through business ventures such as clothing lines, fragrance deals, or product endorsements, leveraging their brand beyond music. Influencers have the power to shape and influence culture through their music, fashion choices, and social activism. They become trendsetters and style icons. Being influential comes with increased pressure to consistently deliver high-quality work. The expectations of fans, the industry, and the individual themselves can be demanding. Influencers may face intense public scrutiny. Their personal lives, actions, and statements may be closely observed, which can lead to positive and negative consequences. The pressure to constantly innovate and evolve artistically can be challenging. There is an expectation that you set the trends rather than follow them. Achieving the balance between maintaining artistic integrity and meeting commercial expectations can be delicate. Influential artists may face challenges in navigating the demands of the industry while staying true to their vision. Despite success, influential artists may still face industry challenges, including contractual issues, disputes, and negotiations. Navigation remains critical in the music business. Influential artists often become role models for musicians and aspiring fans. They are responsible for providing positive role models and contributing to cultural and social narratives. Many influential artists use their platform to advocate for social causes. They may actively participate in philanthropic activities and charitable endeavors and recognize the impact they can have on social issues. Influential artists may take on the role of mentor, support, and guide emerging talent. It helps shape the future of the industry and foster a sense of community. They have the opportunity to support diversity and inclusion in the music industry in terms of race, gender, and other identities. They think about the legacy they leave behind. This includes not only their musical contributions, but also their influence on the industry and culture. Despite the challenges, Influential artists often find deep satisfaction in being able to express themselves creatively and share their art with a global audience. Being able to positively impact the lives of fans through music, messages, and shared experiences can be extremely gratifying. Achieving influence in the music world often comes with the satisfaction of being recognized for talent, hard work, and industry involvement. As a result, being an influencer in the music world is a complex and dynamic experience that combines incredible opportunities, substantial challenges, and a host of responsibilities. Thank you for being with us. It goes beyond commercial success and encompasses an artist's impact on culture, society, and the lives of those involved with their music. Balancing these aspects requires flexibility, originality, and commitment to artistic expression and positive social contributions. Good luck.